In front of me is OnePlus Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into Settings and clicking on Bluetooth. Then make sure that this switcher at the top right corner is blue and wait for available devices to show. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!